right, is this a toy?
Yep.
Let's check it out.
Whoa, look at this.
What is it? What is it?
It's a helicopter.
Let's look at the other side. Whoa! It is the S1076 Metal Series 3-channel infrared RC mini helicopter. Man, I can't wait to fly this thing. You can't wait to fly it?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get it out of the package and get it all charged up, and then we will go outside and take our first helicopter flight.
Yep.
All right, welcome back. And so we got it out of the package. We did a little bit of a charging, and Sebastian is about to take this up for the first time. We're here in the house, so hopefully we don't crash into too many things, but we're gonna do a little practice run here inside. Sebastian, you ready?
Yep.
All right, get it going. Whoa! Try it again.
Whoa. I was really slow.
No, just do it all the way.
Whoa. Whoa.
All right, do it. You got it. There you go. Oh, did you turn it all the way up? Try it again. Is it off? Did you turn it off? There you go. There you go. Keep going. Just keep going. There it goes. Yeah, buddy. All right, good job. You did great. You did great, buddy. Just hold it up here for the camera. Show everybody.
That was so close.
You did so good. What a great job. You're learning how to fly it already.
Guess what? That was so close. It was almost going over the fence.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, we're over there.
I don't know. We'd have to go get it. But that's all right. You did a good job on that one. You got it up really, really high. You want to try it again? All right.
One more time.
One more time. One more time.
So our interview's over.
All right. Here we go. Yeah! That's all right. You got it. All right. Let's see it. Great job, man. Well, hey, till next time.